Hi, what's going on? Welcome to Driver Installer. In this video, I will show you how you can lock the applications on your iPhone, iPad, or iPod Touch with a passcode, and you won't have to download anything because we will be using an iOS tool. The only requirement you have to meet is that your device must be on iOS 12 or a later version. If not, keep watching this video as I will show you how you can update your device. Before we start, if you want to know more tricks about iOS, make sure to subscribe. As I mentioned before, your device should be on iOS 12 or later. Usually it should be, as it is a bit old iOS version. To find out which iOS your device has, go to Settings, then to General, and then tap on About. Here, you can see what version of iOS you have installed. In case you need to update your device, go to the Software Update tab and follow the instructions. With that explained, let's get started with this tutorial. To set a password for the applications, go to Settings. Here you are going to scroll down and tap on the Screen Time tab, and then tap on the option Use Screen Time Passcode. Here, you will create a password to unlock the applications. You will also have the option to add your Apple ID in case you forget the password. In my case, I will not be using this option. Now to select the applications you want to lock, tap on App Limits, then on Add Limit. Enter your password and you will be able to lock the applications. All the applications will appear on the screen by category. In case you want to lock certain types of applications, for example games, just mark the category and all the games will be locked, but you will also have the option to lock all the applications on your device or lock just some apps. To lock all applications, you will have to check this option. To lock specific applications, such as Instagram, you will only have to display the category and mark the application. When you have marked all the applications that you want to lock with a passcode, tap on Next. Here you are going to set a minute, and then tap on Add. Now all the applications should be locked and you will not be able to access any of them. In order to continue using your applications, tap on Ask for more time. Choose the option Enter Screen Time Passcode and enter your passcode. Then this menu will be displayed in which you can choose for how long you want to unlock this application. You will have to choose between 15 minutes, 1 hour, or throughout the day. Now you can use the app, but once that time has elapsed, it will ask you for the passcode again. If you want to continue learning, watch this video, and don't forget to subscribe.